Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday morning. Magnificent Monday. Yesterday, I was busy. I normally get my dinner prep done no later than noon. But yesterday, it took me until 2:30 in the afternoon. I did a lot of my Sunday things, because I do a bunch of things on Sundays, in the morning, which pushed my prep off. So, yeah. But yesterday was a fantastic day for food here in the Casual Chef's Kitchen. First, I put together a Mexican coleslaw with cilantro and lime dressing, which I used a broccoli slaw versus regular cabbage. I've done several cabbage type slaws in the last few weeks, month or so. So I changed it up. Then I prepped and prepared my green chili enchilada sauce that went on green chili pork burritos. The chili sauce uses 3 chilies. It uses jalapeno, basilia, and serrano. Oh, it's beautiful, complex, kick at the end. The overall meal was fantastic, outstanding, and I satisfied the Mexican food lover in my home, Robin. That's the most important thing. We have leftover sauce. I will use that. Yes. Today, being Monday, as you can see, I'm wearing a white chef jacket. Yes, white chef jackets mean one thing in this kitchen. I'm baking. Yes, I am baking today. I am doing a pineapple and zucchini loaf. This caught my attention a few weeks ago with the word pineapple. I love pineapple. You don't see me eating a lot of it because But the combination of pineapple and zucchini into basically a bread? Yeah, okay, let's try it. Then I'll be putting together my pea salad, which I have done many times. This is one of our favorites, definitely one of our favorites here in the summertime. It's actually going to be in the cookbook, but under sweet pea salad. I'll get to the cookbook in a little bit. And then we're just having hot dogs. We're having good old-fashioned hot diggers. Sauteed in a pan with a little bit of olive oil, makes the skin just a little crisp. Yeah, that's it. All right, let's get to it. We got some hardware going on, real simple stuff. The loaf recipe actually makes 2 loaves. So Robin will have one to take to the ladies. For the pineapple and zucchini loaf, it's all-purpose flour, granulated sugar. Of course, the zucchini, which I got from the Yuba City Certified Farmers Market on Saturday. An 8-ounce can of crushed pineapple, Saigon cinnamon from the local spicery, some allspice, Mexican vanilla, brown sugar, veggie oil, some salt, baking soda, baking powder, and 3 eggs. For the pea salad, it's really simple. 2 bags of frozen peas. There's bacon. So the house is going to be smelling great in a few hours. Some sharp cheddar cheese, which I will cut into chunks, small chunks. There's mayo, Miracle Whip. Don't hate me for the Miracle Whip, but it makes it yummy. There's more mayo than Miracle Whip. Let's put it that way. Diced red onion, some Mexican sweet basil, some kosher salt, and black pepper. And for our hot dogs, we like Nathan's. So it'll be Nathan's, and then I'm going to saute up some red onion, There's mustard involved, ketchup, some cheese. This is a triple cheddar blend, the same one I used last night on the burritos. And of course, hot digger buns. Wow, a lot of ingredients. But it's fun. I love doing this. This is cool. This is what I live for. All right, the cookbook. I did work on it over the weekend. When do I work? I'm always working. Worked on it Saturday quite a bit. After going to the farmer's market and La Superior and the Big X store in Linda and local spicery and so the afternoon, after I took a little bit of a break from doing all that running around, I worked on the cookbook, and I worked on it just a tiny bit last night because, as you know, I was busy, kind of cooking and prepping, yada. So, but the cookbook is coming along nicely. The content is basically in there. There's more than recipes. Just wanted to let you know. There's more than just recipes. And there are what I'm calling Easter eggs. There are 3 Easter eggs in this cookbook. I'm not going to tell you what they are. I'm not going to tell you what genre they are, but you'll have to look for them. And there's going to be no annotation about what they are. You just have to find them. So it's down to numbers, literally. It's down to page numbers and artwork and stuff like that. So, yeah, it's coming. Wow. On this magnificent Monday, eat great food and have fun cooking.